Hi, I'm Branka.
Hi, I'm Chad, and this is Tinks.
Hi. Today we're going to show you Superdrug's Beauty in a Bug Halloween look. This is one of our super easy looks and can take as little as 10 minutes to achieve, depending on how adventurous you like to go. I've already prepped Tinks' skin, so do what you would normally do for a night out. I will be using a Flawless Silk foundation from B. Use a moist sponge for a really nice, even, lightweight foundation. I tend to start in the centre of the face. Add coverage as and where you need it. Great trick to stop your smoky eyes from smudging and getting any eyeshadow on your cheeks. If you use loose powder, generously placed underneath, this will really nicely collect any fallout throughout the makeup. Now I'm ready to move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using the Longwear gel eyeliner. This is going to be my guideline, my base, before I put any matte black eyeshadow on top. It's a fantastic product to have a Longwear makeup, especially for the Halloween season. I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go straight into my pot. To get the perfect shape, only go up to the end of your crease. This product dries super quick. So before it's set, grab a clean eyeshadow brush and you're going to blend the edges away. Use your ring finger for a little bit of warmth and you instantly have a smoky eye. Our next step is the B kohl liner and we're going to use this on a waterline. To add extra depth to the makeup, I always like to do the top liner as well. I'm going to lift and I'm going to go above. And that adds a lot of smokiness. So now we're ready to go in with the matte black eyeshadow. We're going to place this up towards the crease, no higher. My favourite way to blend out a smoky eyes is using bronzer. So we're going to use the B Cosmetics matte bronzer in shade 03 Dark. And you're going to blend across the crease and exaggerate slightly towards the end of the brow. If you're ever unsure how far to go, use the back of your brush and measure towards the top of your ear. And that should be your stopping point. Next, we're gonna blend underneath the eyes using a bronzer in shade 3. You're gonna go all the way under. And you can see the powder we put on earlier really nicely collects any of the little dropouts we have and makes it super easy to clean the makeup up after. We're now gonna go back with the Longwear gel eyeliner, just to add a little bit of extra depth. And you're gonna go right underneath. Again, get rid of excess product. And you're just going to blend on your waterline straight across. Now we're going to highlight underneath the brow bone. I'm going to be using a B Flawless Concealer in shade Light. So don't be scared to go a little bit lighter than you normally would. And we want to lift the brow bone and place a little bit underneath. Less is more. It's easy to build up the product rather than go too deep, too quick. We want to finish the eyes off, so we're going to go in with the B Dual Wand Mascara. We're going to be using both ends. We want the lashes to look nice and full for this look, so don't be afraid to go in with more than one layer. And for the bottom lashes, I absolutely love the size of this mascara wand. It's super, super delicate and it's super easy to get right into the lashes and pick up all the baby ones. Now we're ready to finish off the skin. I'm going to be going in with the B Flawless Concealer. I'm going to dab a couple of little dots and we're just going to gently buff that in. This product blends so beautifully, doesn't need a lot of work at all. One of my favourite ways to get a really three-dimensional contour is to actually go in with a concealer a couple of shades darker. All we're going to do is go from the ear towards the mouth and we're just going to do a couple of little dots. Nice circular motions. Blend downwards and it's super, super fast. To add extra depth, I'm going to go back in with a matte bronzer, just in the hollows of the cheeks, blending upwards. We're going to pop a little bit on. Next, we're ready for some lashes. I'm using a Superdrug own natural lash. Once your eyelash glue has gone nice and tacky, I normally say give it anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. We're going to gently press the lashes on. Never close your eyes, only look down. To add a little bit of extra depth to your lashes, if you go in with the Dual Wand Mascara, and this is just going to help your natural lashes blend in with your falsies. Right, now we're ready for the lips. I'm going to be using the B lip liner in shade Plum, and you want to follow your natural lip shape. I tend to start in the bottom, do the Cupid's bow, and then from working outside in. This gives you a lot more control of the product and a lot of precision. Final step for the lips, we're going to be using Mulberry Smooch. It is a really luscious lipstick. It's got a lot of lucidity to it, so it's not going to dry your lips out. I'm going to go right into the corners of the lips. There we go. Now we're ready to create some bugs. I'm going to use the smaller nib on our jewel liner, and we're going to create a small oval shape, and you're going to do 3 small C's on each side. So 1, 2, 3, and then repeat 1, 2, 3. This is super easy, Tinks. Would you like to have a go? Now we're ready to do final few touches to finish off the look. We're going to use our softer, longer brush, and we're going to add a few little dots for detail. And just between your bugs, doing them in little trios, and this is just going to take your look to another level. That's the finished makeup look. Now over to Chad for hair.
Hi guys, I'm going to be creating an old school Hollywood wave today to complement the glamorous makeup that Branka's already done. So I'm starting with Tinks' hair in a deep side parting, which will complement the wave onto the face once we've gone through and tongued it. I'm going to apply the Style Expertise Heat Protector Spray evenly throughout the hair to protect it from the heat of the tong and also to keep the style in place all night. So we're going to start by tonging the hair at the side of the face, and we're going to work our whole way around. What this will do when you tong the hair away from the face is open up the side where there's the most hair, lifting the cheekbone and complementing again the makeup that's already been created. So once you've tonged all of the hair, you're going to get your Superdrug Studio Paddle Brush and your Superdrug Natural Hold Hairspray. We're going to brush the curls all the way out, spraying it with hairspray to get it into more of a wave. So before we start brushing, we're going to spray the brush with the hairspray. What this just means is as soon as you're brushing, you're already giving the hair hold and you're encouraging it to stay in the wave as opposed to becoming a little bit frizzy and fly away. So we have completed the look. Spend as long as you can brushing the hair through to bind the whole thing together, and that's what will give you that glamorous wave that we finished with. I'm going to spray my hand with Superdrug Natural Hairspray just to get any flyaways through the top of the hair and on the parting. Another really good tip at this point is to tuck the hair behind the ear on the side where you have less hair. So I think I'm 100% happy here. It's time for you to go and get dressed.
Now that's our Beauty in the Bug look done for Halloween. Don't forget to have a look at the rest of our videos on the Superdrug YouTube channel.